Do you want that wrinkle-free look every time you iron your pants and don't know where to get started? Well, you have come to the right place. With our expert tips and tricks, you'll be able to achieve a perfectly pressed look in no time. Say goodbye to creases and wrinkles and hello to a polished and professional appearance. Hi guys, my name is Ryson and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to achieve that perfect wrinkle-free look every time you iron your pants. I will take you step by step through the process so that you can master the art of ironing like a pro. So get ready to transform your wardrobe and elevate your style with my mind-blowing tips and tricks for ironing your pants. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first thing that you will have to do is set your iron to the right heat settings for your fabric. The general rule is low heat for synthetic fabric, low to medium heat for wools, and high heat for linen or cotton. If you are dealing with a blend like cotton and polyester mixture, then always go with a low heat. So the first thing that I always do is I start ironing with this back part. So this back part of the pant you should place on the iron board like this, because with this it becomes very easy to iron this part of the pant. Now there are many ways to iron a pant. The way that I am showing you is the one I use all the time and which works best in my opinion. Now keep the iron on low heat and start ironing the pant. Now it is said that you should press a pant, which means that you should not slide the iron like how I am doing here. But even if you press your pant and if you keep the iron on high heat, then it will create a iron mark on your pant which looks very funny guys. So keep it on low heat and you can slide your iron like how I am doing here. So the next part that you should be ironing is the left or right side of the pocket part. So slide your pant like this and check if there is anything in the pocket. Also while checking inside the pocket, adjust your inside part of the pocket so that it will also get pressed while you are ironing on top. And now you will be ironing this part. So see that you don't miss any of the spot. I don't do pressing because I don't get good results after pressing. That is what I feel. That's why I prefer sliding. It is even good to get a good crease. So once you are done ironing on one side, now you can turn the pant around and do the same thing and iron on the other side. Now here, as you can see, in one of my pocket I found a handkerchief. So before ironing, you should always make sure that there is nothing in your pockets so that it will not get destroyed there, and it will also affect you to get a good finish. So once you are done with this part, your next aim is to acquire a great crease. The better the crease, the more it will adapt to the look of your pants. So here I will arrange the pant nicely to show you where exactly the crease should come, and it should be exactly in the middle like this, which divides your pant exactly into half. Now this crease should not be double or triple like how some people do. It should be only a single crease. Now for sure, on your pants there might be a double or a triple crease. If there is, then now it's time to get rid of all of those. So fold the one crease which is exactly in the middle. Now lift your pants and place one leg on the iron board like this. Now I always like to do one leg at a time because it gives good results. Once you place it nicely, see that you start pressing. Now many people do this pressing style, which I have tried as well, but I feel sliding is very important to get a nice crease. But you can try both. Do let me know in the comments below which one worked for you. So once you place the pant like this, see that you slide the iron on the crease like this, maybe 3 to 4 times until you get a nice crispy crease on your pant. Now here you can see that I'm pressing the outer side of the pant, which is the pocket side first. Now the top part I have already ironed. You guys have seen that. So you don't have to go too high as well. So once you are done getting a good crease this side, hold one of the crease and turn the leg around and start pressing on the inner side of the leg. Once you know that you got a good crease, see that you iron the inner part of the pant and get rid of all the minor wrinkles which are there in that spot. Now here you will notice that this is the seat part of the pant. See that you iron there and get rid of all the minor wrinkles. Then adjust the front crease and iron the front side of the pant. And with that I am done ironing one leg of the pant, and as you guys can see the crease on the pant. So I'll just lift the pant and show you how it looks like after ironing. Now this pant was not that crumpled also, but you can still make out the difference. Now hold the crease of the other leg and keep it in position. Adjust it nicely so that the crease comes in the middle. Keep the iron on low heat and start to iron. Now here you can notice that I'm ironing the middle part first. The other leg was not that crumpled at all, so I didn't have to do that. But if you have too many wrinkles in the middle, see that you iron it properly, like how I did here. And once you are done with that, you can now slide the iron on the crease part and make the crease nice and crispy. Now if you have 2 or 3 pleats, then what you can do is you can spray water on that part. Now this iron already has a inbuilt water spraying system, but even if you don't have that, you can use a spray bottle and spray some water on the crease or the pleat. And when you iron on a wet cloth, the extra pleats which are there will disappear, leaving you with one nice and crispy pleat or crease. Now I always divide one leg into 2 parts. So once I am done ironing the bottom half, I will slide the pen down and I will start to iron the top half of the leg. If you have a big iron board, then you don't have to do this, but since what I'm doing should fit in my camera frame, I have to do this. And again I'm doing the outer side of the leg first, which is the pocket side. So once I'm done this side, I will turn the leg around and I will start to iron the inner side of the leg. When I'm ironing the inner side of the leg, I will iron the seat part and the front crease as well. So with this I'm done ironing my whole pant, and you can check out the crease here. So I will wear this pant now and I will show you the final looks. So if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Ryson Fernandes signing out until we meet again.
I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning.